and eucalyptus oil and frankincense oil and tea tree oil. Because I'm going to use tea tree oil, which is a good thing for skin, but it also helps with pain. Eucalyptus helps with pain. Frankincense supposedly helps with pain. I always think it reminds me of the three wise men who wrote frankincense and myrrh. But anyway, so it sounds like witchcraft. It sounds like I'm some kind of pagan, and I'm not. I'm just telling you it works. So what I do, I've been doing this for the last several nights. I have a container of this in my bedroom that I filled with jojoba oil is the compound. It is the oil, your carrier oil for. You're not supposed to put any of these oils on your skin directly. You have to dilute them with an oil like jojoba. And jojoba is a highly recommended carrier oil. Almond oil is another one. You could even use olive oil, but I like this jojoba oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour jojoba oil into my container for this. I have another bottle coming tomorrow, so I have plenty. And then I'm going to start adding drops of oil. And I had the recipes for how many drops of oil to put to make for a solution. I'm going to do for this. I'm going to put 3. I'm not going to do drops. I'm going to do 3 droppers full of eucalyptus. 2 droppers full of frankincense. Now I'm just flying by the seat of my pants, and I'll admit it. And 3 droppers full of tea tree oil. Tea tree in this solution also works. I have a little bit of psoriasis around my ears and around my scalp. This also has helped when I rub this on my places with psoriasis. It has cleared that up. So I'm telling you, I sound like I'm doing a commercial or something, and I'm really not. I'm just telling you what's worked. So I'm going to stir that up, and I'm going to pour that into my, hopefully I can do that. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Just in case, I'm going to pour it into my container. If he spills, it'll go into my pot that I need to fill up anyway. And they're going to drop over. Now I already have some of this mixed up in my bedroom. I'm going to transfer to this. The reason you need, and you can get this at Walmart, these little containers at Walmart or wherever, is that it will, otherwise when you use it, it's hard to dispense it. So this is